Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel again. It's so good to see you. Finally, it is time for the special effects video I promised. So anyhow, what we are going to do today, because I wanted to start with something simple that everyone can do, especially with the new Joker movie just released in theaters, I thought it would be a good idea to go ahead and show you guys how to do Heath Ledger's Joker makeup. I would have done Joaquin Phoenix, but there's not much special effects makeup in that, as well as I don't have any blue. Aww. So if you want me to, go ahead and comment down below and I might do that if everyone wants me to do it. If not, then I guess I won't. But if you guys do want to see how to do something, go ahead and leave a comment down below so I know to do it. So, let's get started. Now what you're gonna need liquid latex. Now, I would make sure before you use this that you're not allergic to it. I know people that are allergic to it and it can cause a horrible rash if you are. White makeup, which I'm using white grease makeup. I haven't actually used grease makeup yet before. I mean, I've used it in other colors, but I haven't used the white, and I wanted to try the white because I think it'll work better. Usually I use a white cream makeup, which it is okay for some stuff. Majority of the time, no. But you know, oh well. If I can find it. Not a clue where it's at. Could be in here. There it is. Bruise palette of grease makeup, which is, I got at Walmart for only about like $5-7. All this stuff is fairly inexpensive. Liquid latex and the blood at Walmart cost me around $15 total with the two together. Now before you start, I want you to make sure that you have a clean face, no beard, no facial hair. I know that you're proud of your beard, but get rid of it. Ladies, you'll be a little more comfortable with this because you don't have one to begin with, so there you go. Make sure you go ahead and give your face a little bit of a washing because it just helps everything stick and make sure everything is solid and secured and it keeps you from being irritated. So I'm going to start with, some people like to just create molds out of plaster of Paris and liquid latex, which you can do that if you want to. It takes time to do that, and plaster of Paris is not necessarily cheap. And also works good that I've found is tissues to use to apply the liquid latex. Q-tips. Now beware when you're using liquid latex, it stinks. To say it lightly. It doesn't smell pleasant. So I'm gonna tear this tissue in half as I don't need the whole thing on one side. I need a different tissue, that didn't work, that did not rip right. You're gonna use the Q-tip to apply liquid latex where you want it to be. I should probably take my shirt off. I don't necessarily want to get liquid latex on my shirt, so I took it off because that is not going to come out very well. So be careful when using it because it's not the best stuff to get on your shirt. So you see, I'm just going to do a layer where the tissue needs to stick. Do not get this in your hair. I cannot say that lightly enough. Do not get any liquid latex in your hair. You cannot get that out. You will end up simply tearing your hair out, and I don't think anyone wants that. Now that I've got a coating there, take the tissue, simply stick it over it. Now you're going to put several tissues on one side, is what you're going to do, which I will show you. I'm not exactly sure what happened or what you all saw. I don't know if my memory card is full or what, but hold on. As it turns out, I don't think there was anything wrong with it. I think that I recorded everything. If I did, great. If not, oh well. I'm gonna show you how I got my scars. Once I get it started, I like to use a set of scissors to keep going. And there he has to about have one scar already pretty well made. And I'm still able to talk functionally. It's a little bit more difficult because it is a little bit tight over here. But it works rather well. And again, you can either use this for Joker or you can use it for whatever Chelsea Smiles scar type thing you're wanting. In this case, I'm doing Joker, which essentially is just a difference of over-top makeup. As you can see, I did a similar thing on the other side. I still gotta cut it, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and dry liquid latex for the hair dryer. Okay, at this point, you've done your scars and it's time to start applying makeup. So I'm gonna start with the white grease makeup. And then a triangle sponge brush. Sorry, I got a call in the middle of that. Sorry about that, guys. I went ahead and did most of the makeup. I'll explain to you what I did here in a minute. I need to put more white over this, because I had a little bit too much. I did that for you, babe. The main thing I have to do now, since I did the scars and everything, I gotta do the black around the eyes. Oh, snap! Oh, it's on there. Let me show you how stupid I am. Here's the red I just put on top. Here's the light red I was looking for. I'm holding it in my hand. Where is the light red? Gee, I don't know. Hey guys, I went ahead and went ahead and did ahead and anyhow I dyed my hair green. So you could see what it actually looked like with the hair green. Now what I used for that is something called Splat. I used electric green 1 wash, so therefore as soon as I put shampoo and water in it, it'll wash out. So anyhow, this comes with a little comb applicator thing. So I just went ahead and squeezed it and just went ahead. God. I went ahead and squeezed it and put some of it all over. And then I took my hands with water and kind of just blended it everywhere. And then be careful because it'll ruin your comb. I used my hair dye green comb to go ahead and just kind of push back and forth everywhere, just kind of ratting it so it'll blend the green better. And yeah, so that's how I got these scars.